He's a year older than you. And a year stronger, okay?
Hey, reach right down your vein. Don't run over your mother. Let's take a look at gifts on this one very much. And you know what? With horses, because they have more legs, you're going to try to come right over to me. Why don't you go around by your toes this time? Send her with your leg by your mom. Okay. Outside leg. Oh, go ahead. Now let her straighten out. Big kick. Yeah, I don't know that. Okay, go ahead. Whoa. Okay, ready? Gotta keep going, Pepper. There you go. We'll see if Ollie will feel it. He will, like, ornery today. Well, yeah. Mirroring. I think so. I think so. I think he feels like he let her down. Yeah. You know? He's very sensitive to emotions and stuff. All right.
Give her a lot of praise.
See if you can get him. This will be a challenge. Just see if you can get him to go past the mounting block and then back around. Okay?
Step up.
There you go. Good girl. Look at you, Ed. Which way do you want to go? Nice job, Emily. Now Ollie is smiling. Yay. Happy Ollie. Nice job. You can reach down and rub him if you want. Oh, now he's smiling. He's tripped twice on his right front.
Yeah.
Is that normal?
Yeah, he's got, it stems from his shoulder injury.
Okay.
Yep.
I love this one.
If he does anything more than walk trot, we have to put support boots on him. Look at that smile.
Look at their both.
Yes, they are. And his head is up. He's so happy now.
Mom, you just made his day. Girl, turn around. Look at you. That's a picture. Oh, nice. Oh, you know, he'll probably start yawning in a minute. You just made him so happy.
Look at her smile.
That's awesome. Why don't we go ahead and end it on that good note?
Okay.